You can eat keto all day, avoid bread, skip sugar, and still accidentally kick yourself out of ketosis without even realizing what happened. The problem is, some of the worst foods are hiding in places you would never expect, quietly sabotaging your progress every single day. One popular healthy food can contain enough hidden carbs to slow your progress, even when you think you're making the right choice. Another common keto mistake can spike your blood sugar, even though the package says low carb, making you believe you're still safely on track. And number one is especially dangerous because many people eat it every day, genuinely believing it is completely keto-friendly and perfectly safe. So before you take your next bite, watch this list carefully, because one small food mistake could quietly undo more progress than expected. By the end, you'll know which 10 foods can quietly sabotage ketosis and exactly what smarter choices can help you stay on track. Let's start with a mistake almost every keto beginner makes, because the first food on this list may surprise you completely. Number 10, flavored yogurt. It may look healthy, but many varieties are loaded with added sugar, quietly pushing your daily carb intake higher. A small cup can contain more carbs than you realize, especially fruit-flavored or sweetened versions that can quietly use up your daily carb budget. The problem is, ketosis depends on keeping carbs low enough for your body to rely more heavily on fat for fuel each day. A sugary yogurt can use up a large part of your daily carb budget surprisingly fast, especially when you don't check the label. If you enjoy yogurt, check the nutrition label carefully and choose plain, unsweetened options that better fit your personal carbohydrate target. But yogurt is not the only food pretending to be keto-friendly. The next one is hiding in many people's kitchen cabinets right now. Number 9, sweetened nut butters. They may seem keto-friendly, but added sugars can quietly turn one small spoonful into a carb trap. The words natural or creamy do not automatically mean low carb, and some versions contain added sugars you might never expect inside. And because nut butter is easy to overeat, one spoon can quickly become several, adding far more carbs than you originally planned. Always check the serving size and ingredients, because a simple nut butter is easier to track than one heavily sweetened with hidden sugars. And here's the surprising part. Even when there's no obvious sugar, the next food can still deliver more carbs than you expected. And here's the surprising part. Even when there's no obvious sugar, the next food can still deliver more carbs than you expected. A smoothie made with bananas, mangoes, sweetened yogurt, juice, dates, honey, or multiple servings of fruit can contain significant amounts of carbohydrates. That is why a smoothie can feel healthy and still knock you out of ketosis, especially when the portion is much larger. Instead, build smoothies around lower carb ingredients, use smaller portions, and remember that drinking several servings of fruit is easier than eating them. But the next food is even trickier because it often looks like a healthy snack, while hiding enough sugar to derail ketosis. Number 7, dried fruit. It looks small and harmless, but removing the water concentrates the sugar and makes portions dangerously easy to overeat. Just a small handful can contain concentrated sugars from several pieces of fruit, making it much easier to exceed your carb limit. Think of dried fruit as concentrated fruit, not a free snack, and keep portions small if you want to protect ketosis. But this next food is even more surprising because people often call it healthy, even though its carb content can add up quickly. Number 6, granola. It often looks healthy and natural, but many varieties contain oats, dried fruit, honey, and added sugars. A single serving can contain enough carbohydrates to surprise you, and most people pour much more than the suggested serving size. If you love granola, measure it carefully. But for strict keto, lower carb alternatives are usually a much safer and easier choice. Now here's another common trap. A snack marketed as high protein can still contain enough sugar and starch to push ketosis off track. Number 5, protein bars. They look convenient for keto, but some contain hidden sugars, starches, and enough carbs to disrupt ketosis. Some bars contain syrups, sweeteners, or fillers that add up quickly, especially when you eat one without carefully checking the nutrition information. Choose bars carefully, focus on total carbs and ingredients, and never assume high protein automatically means the product will keep you in ketosis. Next comes a food many people think is harmless, but even small amounts can add enough carbs to quietly interfere with ketosis. Number 4, sweetened yogurt. It may seem healthy, but flavored varieties can contain added sugars that quickly raise your carbohydrate intake. Even a small container can add surprising carbs, especially when you choose flavored yogurt without realizing how much sugar was added inside. For keto, plain unsweetened yogurt is usually easier to manage, while flavored versions can quietly add carbohydrates you never planned to eat. But the next food can be even more deceptive, because a tiny serving may contain concentrated carbs that are surprisingly easy to underestimate. Number 3, fruit juice. Even natural juice can deliver a concentrated dose of sugar without the fullness that comes from eating whole fruit.
Because juice removes much of the fiber, it is easier to drink several fruits quickly without realizing how many carbohydrates you consumed.
For strict keto, water is the safest choice, while eating a small portion of whole fruit gives you more control over carbohydrates. Number 2 is especially surprising: milk. Even ordinary milk contains natural lactose, which can add more carbohydrates than many keto beginners expect. Follow these keto guidelines carefully, stay consistent with your goals, and if this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more.